Hi, in this video I will show you a new feature I was working on last week, which tries to solve the excessive scrolling issue. It's called the outline, and you can see it on the top right and the right. This is the collapsed version. It shows an icon for each of the cards in the current deck, and if you hover, you can see the title on the bottom right and the actions you can do. When it's collapsed, you can do two things. One is to click and it will go directly to that card, so no scrolling needed. The second one is if you start dragging it, it will be as if you were dragging the card itself. So it's a nice way to reorder things. And if you expand it, it has two sections. The output section with all the cards collapsed. If I control click to expand all, it will give me access to the outputs on all cards that are expanded and have outputs. And if I drag them, it's as if I was dragging the output from the card itself, and the same with the card reference. Again, if I click on the card, it will scroll to it. The second section is called dependencies, and it will show the outline for the cards in the deck, and nested inside it will show which cards are used by this card and which cards are its dependency and dependent. This card uses this one and this card is used by this one. Again, I can click on any to jump, and I can drag the references for the cards to operate on them as if I was dragging them from the card itself. This outline allows for quick navigation and for quick access to all cards, and an overview, an outline of the structure of the deck in terms of dependencies and in terms of outputs. And it makes much shorter the distance if something needs to be dragged. Also, it's sticky, so if I scroll on the deck on the left, it will stay, and I can also scroll if it's too long, like this one on the right. So I will always have access to the things I want, and I can use it as a quick jumping point. It's like an index or an outline, and this should solve the problems of excessive scrolling, excessive drag and drop, long drag and drops, and also having a quick overview of the structure of the deck and how the cards are related between them in one single place. So this was what I was working on this week. It's called the outline. And if you have any question, just leave a comment. Bye.